Hi everyone, today we're going to make these Betty Crocker wild blueberry muffins. You're going to need a bowl, a muffin pan, water, vegetable oil, and 2 eggs. First, we are going to preheat our oven to 425. Now I have put in my baking cups into my pan. Alternatively, you can use a spray oil to keep the muffins from sticking to your pan, but I like to use the cups. Now I'm going to pour in the muffin mix. The 2 eggs. The 2/3 cup of water, and the 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Now I'm going to hand mix this. I like to mix it up with a fork. I've always found it easier to mix up batter and cookie dough, anything with a fork. Okay, that looks pretty good. The blueberries come in a can like this, so now I'm going to open this can and then strain the blueberries and wash them off. Now we're gonna put these blueberries in the batter mix, and then I will fold them in gently. It's okay, it's okay. If you're too rough with the blueberries, then you will end up with bluish purple muffins. I have done that before. Not a big deal, it's kind of cool. My daughter says she wants me to make them purple. Okay, that looks great. Now I'm going to put the batter in our muffin cups. So I like to just scoop a little bit, fill them up, oops, a little messy, fill them up about that much. Some are going to be a little bit bigger than others because I am not a perfectionist when it comes to this. Okay, they all look pretty good. They look pretty even actually. So now my oven is preheated to 425, and I am going to place them in the oven for about 14 or 15 minutes. I'm at high altitude right now, so my times might be a little bit different than yours. So I would recommend going a little bit lower and then checking on it. All right, these came out perfectly at 15 minutes. They look great, and now I'm gonna prepare them for us to eat. My family likes to put a little slice of butter right in the middle of the muffin, and that just tastes so good. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed.